What's up gamers, my name is Centrix and welcome to another video. Now in this video I'm going to show you where to get crude oil. Now crude oil spawns in the sea, so you will just want to get down here and you will see these little smoke things. So you will just follow the smoke and you will see the crude oil on top of these tiny volcanoes. So you just pick that up and take it with you. It's as simple as that. There's nothing to it. You just need to find a sea and then you can have as much oil as you can carry. Now what you can do with the oil is you can just take it to your craft bot, select ports, and then you can see the fuel. Now gasoline is really a item that you will need a lot for your machines, and it's just essential, so that's what you will need it for. Now you can also craft some other items from it, but that's the main thing. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching and goodbye.